I'm going to take you to the screen to show you how to edit something like this using Capcut editing application. Please help me to share so that others will gain access to this, to learn and then benefit from it. Let's go. The first step is for you to record yourself like this. Then the pole at the middle is very much important. It will enable you during the editing. After that, head over to Capcut. Alright, in the Capcut editing application here, click on the new project. It will take you to a gallery where you harvest the video. This is the video that I want to work on. Click on it and click on this add button here to take you to the editing interface. Now, once you get to editing interface, the first thing is for you to click on the video bar here. By touching it, then you swipe to the end. You can see what I'm doing on the screen until you get to freeze. Then click on it to freeze some part of the empty background. Then you take the video to the action part of this is the action part of it. Then touch the video bar to have it highlighted. Come over to split, click on split, then click on that unwanted part of it and delete it. Now we have empty background and the action part of the video. Okay, so after which, what you need to do next is to highlight that action button or action part of the video. Then you come over to overlay. Here is it. Click on overlay. Click and hold and take the video to the beginning. Come back to this very freeze part of the video, the empty background. Then click on it. Then what you need to do is to click and hold on this white portion and drag it forward to as lengthy as you can. Okay, then I think that should be okay. Then the next thing which you need to do now is to come back to this very overlaid, which is the action part of the video. Have it highlighted by touching on the bar. You swipe to this button called mask and click on it. Then allow it to load. You click on this very horizontal, the second box. This is what you will do. Use your two fingers or two thumbs. You can see that yellow line. Use your two thumbs to rotate the stuff the way I'm doing it now. Take it close to that very pole that you planted. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. That is the essence of putting something there as a pole or as any object. Okay, now let's play the video a bit. You can see that I have disappeared into the pole. Now once you are done setting your mouse, you click on that very check mark button to indicate the action. The next thing which you need to do is for you to go back by clicking on this button here. Okay, and still click on it. Then you click on overlay. Once you click on overlay, you click on add overlay. You bring in the lion, which is this. Okay, ask your question if you didn't understand, please. Click on add button. Then the next step which you need to do is to remove that very green background. Then by swiping to the left hand side until you get to remove BG. Here is it. Click on it and click on chroma key. So once you look inside here, you will see a sequence inside that very green background. Click and take it to any point in that very video, okay, until it disappears. You come to this very intensity and adjust it to 50% or to any desired percent that will enable you to clear the residual part of the green color on that very lion. Okay, now once you look at this very lion now, you will understand that it has covered the front page of the video. You need to take it back so that the action will be okay. Now having it highlighted, okay, you come to layers, rather layer, click on it. It will appear like this. Click on this lion here and take it front. See what I'm about to do. Have you seen it now? So what you need to do now is to use your two thumbs and reduce the size of the lion. You can see what I'm doing. Zoom it in and out, okay, and then take it close to that very pole. Okay, so now you click on this very check mark button to return. So once you are done, this is where the action begins. Target where your head is about to enter the pole. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. You can see what I'm doing now. This is how it's going to be. Okay, watch what I'm doing carefully. Come over to this very button here. It is called chroma key. Click on it to activate the button. Okay, as your head is entering, then you come to this very place. That box is showing the portion of the lion in that very screen. Okay, so let's go so that you will understand what I'm doing. I've already activated this button. As I'm taking the video forward, you come to this box and push it forward so that the head of the lion will appear with the same measure of my head that entered inside there. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. It is not hard. Make it look perfect, okay, so that the size and the body of the lion together with your own body will match. Remember also that this is a tutorial. In your own case, you can take much time to edit it and make it look perfect. Okay, so where you can actually get this green screen, unless I forget, is from TikTok or YouTube. Just go to the search box and type in tiger green screen or lion green screen. Now let's play the video before we continue. Let me zoom it in and click on this play button here. Have you seen it? This is the result of what we've just done now. So what you need to do is to come over to this video here and then remove the unwanted part of the video. From this side and the unwanted part, we need to cut them off. Highlight the first one, click on split, and then still have it highlighted and click on delete. Repeat the process until you have them all deleted, then remaining the main part of the clip that you want. Once you are done with that, head over to this very export and click on it. The video will be exported directly to your gallery. Please help me share so that others will benefit from this tutorial. I remain your guy, Mr. Kelly Fresh Backup. Thank you.